Hello, everyone. Welcome to Calm Speak English. My name is Alex, and today I want to help you practice English in a very simple and useful way. Imagine this with me. You are standing in a quiet coffee shop. You want to order a coffee in English. Don't worry, we will practice together. I will say one sentence, then you will pause. Please repeat after me. Let's start. Hello. I would like a coffee, please. I would like a hot coffee, please. I would like an iced coffee, please. Now, let's choose the size. A small coffee, please. A medium coffee, please. A large coffee, please. Now, let's choose the type. I would like a latte, please. I would like a cappuccino, please. I would like an Americano, please. Now let's talk about milk. With regular milk, please. With oat milk, please. With no milk, please. Now let's add sugar. With sugar, please. With no sugar, please. Now say the full sentence with me. I would like a medium latte with oat milk and no sugar, please. Very good. You can change the words to order any coffee you like. Practice these sentences a few times. The more you repeat, the more confident you feel. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next lesson at Calm Speak English.